Hi everybody, welcome back to my cooking channel. This is your girl Fabiola. Today I'm gonna teach you guys how to make sweet potato casserole. That's one of my favorite side dish to make, guys, especially on Thanksgiving. And I know Thanksgiving is coming next week, guys. If you guys want to know how to make it, just stay with me. And if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Alright guys, I'm gonna show you guys how I make my sweet potatoes casserole, guys. That's one of my favorite dish on Thanksgiving, guys. I'm gonna show it to you guys how to make it. What we're gonna need our sweet potatoes, guys. We're gonna need some Carnation milk. I have some sweet butter, guys, and that's some um brown sugar, guys. I put in a plastic bag, guys. I didn't have to buy it because I have some left. And the same thing for the flour. We're gonna need all-purpose flour, guys. Show to you. We're gonna need vanilla, guys, and I have the Asian brand, guys, but if you guys can't use any type of vanilla you guys have. And we're gonna need some cinnamon ground, guys, nutmeg, and that's everything we're gonna need, guys. First, what we're gonna do, guys, I'm gonna go wash my sweet potatoes, guys, and I'm gonna boil them for about 25 to 30 minutes. Or after like 20 minutes, you can get a knife, guys. You can just try to put the knife inside of your potatoes. If you see the knife go all the way straight inside the potatoes, that's when your potato is good. But if you see it's kind of hard to go in, just let it boil for a little bit, okay? Alright guys, the potato been boiled for like 20 minutes, guys. Now what I do, I just peel it and I put it in the bowl. Next, what I'm gonna do, guys, get my butter. You see the butter, guys? There's 8 teaspoons of butter and the whole stick of butter, guys. We're gonna put half of it. I'm gonna put half of the butter, and next of the sugar, guys. I'm sorry. I have half cup, guys. We're gonna put a half cup of brown sugar. It doesn't matter if you have the light brown sugar or the dark one. I'm gonna use the light brown sugar. And next, I have my vanilla. I'm gonna put 1 teaspoon of vanilla, guys. And remember, I told you guys can use any type of vanilla if you guys want. You guys don't have to use this one, but if you guys see this one, you guys can use it because it tastes really good. And I have my milk, guys. I have whole Carnation milk. Gonna put it half cup of milk too. And you're gonna put 2 eggs, guys. Another one. Everything with me. Next, we're gonna put a half teaspoon of brown sugar. You don't have to put that much, guys. And now what we're gonna do, guys, you can use it. You're just gonna make sure you mix everything together, guys. You see? Just mix everything in. We're gonna need a little bit of salt, guys. Half teaspoon, not even half teaspoon. Let me show you guys. You see? A little bit, guys, just to bring all the taste together, guys. And you're just gonna mix everything up. It's really easy to make, guys, and it tastes really good. You're just gonna mix it like that, guys, for about like 5 minutes, and after 5 minutes I'll show you guys what I do next. Alright guys, next what we're gonna do, guys, we're gonna do our topping for the sweet potato casserole, guys. Some people love picking, guys, but I don't love picking. I'm gonna do it like simple, guys. What I'm gonna do, guys, I have half cup. I'm gonna put, that's half cup, and I'm gonna put that, and I'm gonna wash it. Nice. And I have 2 teaspoons of butter. We're just gonna add it to our flour, guys. Alright, we're gonna add now the sugar. I'm frying some meat. Got my hidden nose. Okay, I'm sure too, guys. We're gonna add the sugar. Put a little bit more. And now what I'm gonna do, guys, we're just gonna get shuffle And you're just gonna do like that. You're gonna make sure you smash it so the butter can go all the way. Everything can mix up really good, guys. That's what we're gonna do. That's all we're gonna do our topping. Guys, I'm gonna add a little bit more of the sugar. I'm show you guys what I add. And for the taste again, guys, you're gonna get a little bit of cinnamon. A little bit of cinnamon. Mix that in. Okay. You don't have to put that much, like half teaspoon, guys. And you're gonna still doing that, guys. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put the sweet potatoes in the pan. I'm gonna bake it, and I'm gonna show you guys how I do it. Alright guys, now what we're gonna do, we're gonna add the sweet potatoes in the pan. And you're gonna get your spoon. You're gonna go like that. That's one of my favorite, guys. When I go to Thanksgiving, guys, the first thing I'm looking for is for the sweet potato casserole, guys. And you're just gonna get your spoon. Oh, sorry for finding it. And you guys can use your hand. And we're gonna add our topping, guys. And what we're gonna do, guys, we're gonna bake that sweet potatoes, guys, for 45 minutes, guys, and it's gonna put it up to 350, guys, for 45 minutes, guys. And after 45 minutes, guys, I'm gonna show you this the how it look like. You're gonna get your hand like that. You're gonna make sure you go all over the house with potatoes. I'm sure, guys. Showing you guys. That's one of my favorite. That thing tastes so good, guys. Just follow my way, guys. You guys gonna really love the result. Just put your hand like that, guys. And you're gonna bake it for 45 minutes on 350, guys. And after 45 minutes, I'll show you this to you guys what it look like. Alright guys, I'm done. What I did, I just cut a part of the sweet potatoes. Let me put on the plate for you guys to show it to you guys. That looks so good, guys. Oh my god. That looks so good, guys. And if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys. See you guys in my next video. God bless you all. Bye.